loose connection in here. Solder joint or a plug, I believe. Or relay. Contact going bad, maybe. You can hear it, just vibration. Yeah, it's one of those relays picking. And what's happening is it's unpicking and then it loses connection and the garage door doesn't open or it gets stuck. So we'll guess cold solder joint on the back of the board or probably where that power plug is right there. Yeah, right in there. Seems to be on this end. Now it's not. Made the connection, fixed it. That's what the problem is. Cold solder joint. See the ring? Electrons flow through that. The ring expands, disconnects, cools off. Then the electrons flow again, heats up, expands, disconnects over and over. Or cold air from the outside comes in, makes it work. And when it warms up in the garage, then it quits working. And my phone doesn't want to focus very well. Right there. All the others don't look too... That's iffy. Everything else looks decent. But that one. Right there. So I'm going to reheat that up. Give it a whirl. And that's the relay board for the garage door opener. It's a little better. Didn't have my soldering iron up here. I got my soldering gun. It's a little sloppier, but that should do the trick. No more clicking.